Hi, in this video I will go through how the NIS2 tasks works in your compliance task management. When it comes to NIS2, there will be two crucial parts. There will be the legal part on cybersecurity, and there will be the IT security part of the cybersecurity. Here the platform will help you plan tasks within both of these areas. If you have the information security module activated in your .legal compliance platform, you will be able to find the tabs for NIS2 activities and ISO 27000 series. We have built the platform with activities within NIS2 that will help you with the legal part of NIS2. And when it comes to the more specific IT security controls, we are working with the ISO 27000 series. Of course, if you use other security controls, you also have the possibility to create them yourself with custom frameworks. You will get access to the same possibilities within the module that you do with our standard tasks, but you will just define the controls yourself. The annual wheel and task management works in the same way as if you use it for GDPR or something else. You can see another introduction video to the compliance task management for details. What I just want to show in this example is that if you are planning one of the standard tasks within NIS2, for instance, you can plan it as mentioned like every other tasks and have the same possibilities there. But what could be interesting would be that you can associate it to other areas than NIS2. So let's say you have a task that works both in terms of your annual wheel for GDPR, but also works in terms of your annual wheel for NIS2. It could be an advantage to tag that on the activity so that you don't need to do the same thing twice, but you can simply do it once, and then the platform will tag the relevant tasks with multiple compliance areas. Another part that could be essential is that if you are planning a range of the legal NIS2 activities within the platform and then start to plan more technical controls from the ISO, for instance, you can plan those and you will use the same functionality once again. But again, you have the possibility to tag it with multiple compliance areas, but you also have the possibility to relate it. So let's say that you do this control, but you can relate it to the legal NIS2 activity you already have planned. This means when you are planning a control, it's now put in my task management. Just a second. In task management, I can now find my ISO control, but it will have a smart link to the NIS2 activity. So in this way, you will always be able to link between the two because you have made this relation between an control in the ISO and your legal NIS2 activity. As the last part, when we talk our NIS2 activities, you have the implementation tasks, standard tasks, but you will also have ongoing operations. So you can say one of the implementation tasks you will find down here is to set up an annual wheel. And this, of course, will mean that you can go to the ongoing operation of NIS2, and then you will find a catalog of standard activities for an ongoing annual wheel as well.